I stay away from negativity and dramas. Ayoko ng drama. So, positive lang. Positive ang outlook sa life. Always be grateful for what you have. And kung ano yung wala, you always just focus on what you have. And of course, aside from Thiocell, I work out. I work out 3 to 4 times a week. I used to box. Nagbo-boxing ako eh. Pero ngayon, iba naman. So, soon, in a few months, you'll see a version 2.0 na sunshine naman. So, I'm working on myself. Yun lang. So, self-love. Kailangan lang mahalin ang sarili. Yun ang sinasabi ko even before. If you expect a person or people to love you, you have to love yourself first. Diba? So, yun ang ginagawa ko ngayon to stay healthy, fit, not just for myself, but for my family. Open naman ako no, na Cathy Valencia. I'm also an endorser of Cathy Valencia. So once in a while, I do facials. Actually, before Ulthera, may ganun ako, may mga ganun akong ginagawa once a year. Facials only. Pero very, very simple ang skincare ko. I remove my makeup. I don't sleep with makeup on. And just a moisturizer, eye cream. Of course, when you turn 40, actually 30 pa lang ako, nag-eye cream na ako kasi doon mo makikita talaga pag nag-age sa eyes. And what else? Drink lots of water. Water talaga. Lagi akong meron dalang water. And sleep. Sleep talaga kasi kahit anong skincare ang gawin natin, if you lack sleep, then makikita talaga sa skin natin.
Nag-trending ka dun sa bench fashion week.
Yes, no.
And how do you react to people saying that you're giving younger women a run for their money?
Alam mo, tawan-tawa ako dun sa nag-post na at ang daming nagko-comment sa akin na bakit ka ganyan samantalang kami nabubulok. Nakakaloka yun. Natawa ako doon. Actually, kami ni Ina yun eh. Siyempre, for me, it's really flattering. Nakaka-flatter. But it's also hard work. Kasi yung iba iniisip nila na, nagpapa-surgery. Ang dami nagpapa-surgery, hindi nakukuha yon. So, para lang sa kaalaman ng lahat, it's hard work. We work out. Si Ina, I think everyday siya nag-workout twice. Basta nag-work out. And eat healthy. And we sleep. Yun talaga ang importante. So, nakaka-flatter. Pero ma-advise ko sa mga tao, yes, just to stay healthy. Love yourself. Hindi mo retoke lang ang pagmamahal sa sarili o hindi retoke para po gumanda ang isang tao. Work out. Mag-workout kayo, kumain kayo ng healthy, matulog kayo, bawasan nyo ang alcohol sa inyong sistema at ang mga bisyo.
Alam na, oh.